xinda Hair Products Factory is located in the second Human Hair Industrial Park, Juancheng County, Shandong Province, established in the year of 2012, with more than 15 years' experience in the line of hair products. We are the leading manufacturer and distributor of all kinds of 100% human and synthetic hair products in China. The factory covers the area of more than 4 hectares, with the building area of 20,000 square meters. The factory invests more than 100 million RMB, including 6 million fixed assets and 200 excellent workers. Our main products cover 10 series, around 600 items, including 100% Remy Chinese hair wefts, pre-bonded glue hair extensions, clip-on extensions, machine-made PU, hand-tied PU, top-class ladies' wigs, human hair ponytails, lace front wigs, 100% KK fiber ladies' wigs, fiber ponytails, and so on. Honored as #1 international trade enterprise for several consecutive years. We enjoy high reputation because of advanced skills, high quality, competitive prices, scientific and reasonable designing, and completed operation procedure. Since the factory founded, we have committed to the development of new products. With the social and economic pace, we will continue to carry forward the spirit of high quality, efficiency, innovation, integrity, and stick to the operating principle of credit first, customer first, quality excellent. We are willing and ready to enter into business relationships with friends all over the world and will create a brilliant future in hair production with our partners.
Welcome to juancheng xinda Hair Products. Our main products covers over 10 series such as hair weft, clipping hair, and ponytail, and so on. We are willing to contribute business relationship with friends all over the world.